Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 1B, question number 9. In the previous videos, we have solved question 1 to 8, which have been uploaded on my channel. Now it's time for question number 9. And question number 9 says, during a certain period in the life of an earthworm, its length L centimeter is directly proportional to the square root of n, where n is the number of hours after its birth. 1 hour after an earthworm is born, its length is 2.5 centimeter. So first of all, they have given us some values and some alphabets. By using these, we first have to create an equation. Means first part says find an equation connecting L and N. Then find the length of an earthworm 4 hours after its birth. Okay, and then how long it will take for an earthworm to grow to a length of 15 centimeter. So we are going to solve these three parts. First, we are going to create an equation. So I have written part 1 of question number 9. It says find the equation connecting L and N. So as the question says that since L is directly proportional to n, so to under root n, because they are saying it would be under root n, as the question says square root. So under root n, as the question is saying square root n. Okay, so since n is directly proportional to under root n, then n equals to k, which we always write in an equation, k under root n. So this is our equation, and you all know that k is a constant. Now first we are going to write the values. So when L is, the value of L is given 2.5 and the value for N is 1, because it says 1 hour after an earthworm's birth. So the number of hours they have asked in under root, so they are asking 1 hour after its birth. So we are going to write 1. These are the values. So first I am going to put the values in this formula. So the value of L is 2.5, L equals to K, as we need to find out the value of K, and then under root 1, which is the value of N. Now K would be a subject, and then 2.5 would be divided by under root 1. So after we can simply use a calculator, or we can do it without a calculator because it's only 1. So the under root of 1 would be 1. So means the answer would be 2.5. And our main formula would be L equals to value of K 2.5 and under root N. So this would be our formula. By using this formula, we are going to solve the next two parts of this question. So now I have written part 2 of this question. It says find the length of the earthworm 4 hours after its birth. So we are going to use the formula. The formula is L equals to 2.5 under root n is the formula. Now they are saying 4 hours, means 4 hours is the value of n, because they have asked the hours in n. So we are going to write when n equals to 4. Now L equals to 2.5 multiplied by under root 4. So you can use a calculator also. So 2.5 multiplied by under root 4, the answer would be 5. So as these questions are type of word problem, so we need to give a statement also. So we are going to write the length of the earthworm four hours after its birth. So after its birth is 5 centimeter. So in this question they ask us to find the value of L in centimeter, means that they asked us to find the length by using the value of the given time, means hours, means n. Okay, so the length of the earthworm 4 hours after its birth is 5 centimeter. Now let's move towards the last part of this question. So in the last part I have not written the question, but I have written the formula. I am going to read the question for you. How long will it take for an earthworm to grow to the length of 15 centimeter? In the previous part they gave us the time of 4 hours, but we need to find the length. But right now in the last part they have given us the length 15 centimeter and we need to find the time. So the value of L, means the length, is when L equals to 15. So I'm going to put the values. The value of L is 15 equals to 2.5 and then under root n. So I'm going to make n as the subject. 15 would be divided by 2.5 and 15 divided by 2.5 is 6. But this is not the final answer. 6 is not the final answer, as in the question, if we read the main question, they have given n as square root. So we need to give the answer of 6 in square root also. So n equals to 6. If we finish the square root over here, means if we write n just simply and shift the square over here, so 6 square is 36. Okay, so the answer would be 36 and the statement would be that it will take 36 hours for an earthworm to grow to the length of 15 centimeter, because in hours we have given the answer, because in the previous question 4 hours were taken for the earthworm to get to the length of 5 centimeter. So over here it will be 36 hours. And you can also write the statement by your own self that it would take 36 hours for an earthworm to grow to the length of 15 centimeter. So this was question number 9 of exercise 1B. I hope you liked today's video. If you liked today's video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get my upcoming videos. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.